Now, the Chinese yuan is increasingly becoming a major part of the global payment system.
And of course, that comes at the expense of euro, whose share continues to decline. At a time of great geopolitical uncertainty, the rise of Chinese yuan has a number of takeaways for the global economy. Take a look at this next report.
China is in an economic downturn as it struggles to mount a comeback. But its currency, the yuan, is rising in the global payments market. SWIFT data shows that transactions involving the yuan rose to 4.7% in March. That's the highest since the global payments platform created a new baseline in July. Yuan rise came at the cost of the euro, whose share dipped below 22% last month. The yuan has been the world's fourth most transacted currency since November, overtaking Japanese yen. China's currency still trails the dollar, euro and pound. The greenback's share of total global payments far exceeds its rival, holding relatively steady around 47% in recent months. Nevertheless, yuan's share of global trade and finance has tripled since 2019. China is backing the yuan in its fight back against the US' unique influence over global money. The Xi government has been busy striking deals over the past year to expand the currency's usage. While the US remains the world's clear financial hegemon, China is carving out a place for itself in the financial system. This comes at a time when geopolitical strains are growing and global commerce is becoming an active battleground. As it emerges from the era of COVID lockdowns, Beijing is trying to demonstrate that there's a world outside of the US and the West. But there's a long way to go for the yuan. The currency remains tightly controlled by Chinese authorities. Without deep capital markets or open capital accounts, it can be difficult to move money in and out of a country. Even with multiple international deals, the currency is not fully convertible. There are also restrictions on its use in areas such as cross-border loans and portfolio investments. But many observers speculate that the dollar is headed for a longer-term decline. The ongoing Ukraine war, which gave life to yuan's widespread usage, may ultimately contribute to the currency's rise. That would mean a tectonic shift not just in global trade and finance, but also in the balance of power. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.